Good day everyone. Today, we will present a detailed report about Shangri-La Makati, Manila, one of the premier luxury hotels in Makati City. The hotel is known for its world-class facilities, elegant accommodations, and outstanding hospitality services. Its slogan, "Experience Extraordinary," reflects the hotel's commitment to giving guests unforgettable experiences through comfort, luxury, and excellent customer service. Shangri-La Makati offers luxurious rooms and suites with beautiful city views, an infinite pool, chi spa, fitness center, world-class dining, and event venues for celebrations and business functions. The hotel is strategically located in the heart of Makati, making it accessible to shopping centers, offices, and tourist attractions. Because of its quality service and excellent reputation, it is recognized as one of the Makati's city's top luxury hotels.
History and legacy of Shangri-La. Shangri-La has a rich history rooted in Asian hospitality and tradition. This company was founded in 1971 by Robert Kuok, a visionary entrepreneur who believed in creating meaningful guest experiences through heartfelt hospitality from its beginnings in Singapore. Shangri-La has expanded into a global luxury hotel and hospitality group with branches across Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and North America. The hotel brand values hospitality, heritage, people, and purpose. These values guides the company in providing quality service while honoring Asian traditions and modern luxury. Throughout the years, Shangri-La continued to grow and innovate. During 1980s, the company expanded throughout Asia and the Pacific. In the 1990s, it became a globally recognized luxury brand. In the 2000s and present, the company strengthened its commitment to sustainability and innovative hospitality practices. Today, Shangri-La Makati continues this legacy by combining Filipino warmth with legendary Asian hospitality to create memorable guest experiences.
Hospitality and guest experience. Hospitality is the heart of Shangri-La's success. The hotel emphasizes heartfelt service, ensuring that every guest feels welcome and respected and valued. Employees are trained to provide excellent customer service with professionalism and warmth. The hotel also values cultural heritage while embracing modern luxury. Shangri-La promotes a peaceful and relaxing environment where guests can enjoy comfort and quality service. Their commitment to sustainability and community impact also reflects the company's social responsibility. Another important factor in guest satisfaction in the hotel's strategic location in Makati City. Guests have easy access to business district, shopping malls, restaurant, and entertainment center. Because of these advantages, Shangri-La Makati continues to be preferred destination for tourist executives and travelers from around the world.
In conclusion, Shangri-La Makati, Manila represents excellence in the hospitality industry through its rich history, luxurious facilities, and exceptional customer service. Since its founding in 1971, Shangri-La has built a strong legacy of Asian hospitality based on trust, care, and meaningful guest experience. The hotel elegant accommodation, relaxing amenities, and world-class dining and excellent service make it one of the leading luxury hotel in Makati City. More importantly, Shangri-La continues to uphold its values of hospitality, heritage, people, and purpose while adapting to changing needs of modern travelers. Overall, Shangri-La Makati is not only a place for accommodation, but also symbol of comfort, luxury, and heartfelt hospitality that leave a lasting impression in every guest. Thank you.